Nothing.
No. Last hour, goddamn line getting no goddamn my food.
So been trip. I'm trying. I missed my plane today.
Huh?
Threw me all the way off. Well, I ain't even miss it. I ain't book it. I tried to book it like an hour and 50 minutes before we took off, and they
That
took my
plane.
money. They took my
Mine.
money. Yep, they took my money.
Oh, why? Yeah.
Cause I booked it. I booked like an hour and 50 minutes. You gotta book it like at least.
What you said? You ain't safe on there doing push-ups.
Yeah. I need. I need 220
Who
for the
that's on?
food.
Who
I
on?
need
Man, I
220.
can't tell you
I
was
need.
on here. Yes.
I need $220 for the food right now. The microwave. I get. I need 220 for the food. You got 220.
You said 220 for the food.
Yeah, I gotta get the microwave. Put it
What
in
the
there.
microwave cost?
Huh?
I said, what's the microwave? What kind of microwave you trying to get?
Yeah, let me go find it. Yeah. You send 220. I can order. He's ordered the food right now, right? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm finna get right.
And we can try to find.
My
You got
baby mama
220.
drained my cash today.
Yeah, 220. I'm looking to see if they have Walmart on this name for the microwave, as they say. You got 220
Why
left.
old time? Why old time keep saying she thinking
Ooh,
she scared shit? Why you ain't screenshot?
I found one.
Nah, I ain't no African. I'm an African American.
I found one. Man, $55 on Walmart. So he left. Mm, BSB. Mm, anybody. Store. It's $55. Walmart. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. I need 200. Yeah, I need 220 for the.
They like no haircut. Yeah, y'all couldn't have saw me because I got my haircut.
Yeah, I need 220 for the food
I
and
just got chopped like a day or two ago, so I don't know.
immediately. I need 220 for the food and it's saying that I bought one. The microwave is on Walmart though. It's saying 55, but it's not doing deliveries and tax. You hear me?
Yeah, I'm gonna get you right.
Yeah, so I'm saying,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, about $70. $70 because it's tax and delivery fee. You got me with that part too?
What? Said
The
well, how
two,
much?
the 270 for the food and the $70 for the microwave.
$7 for the microwave.
70.
Yeah.
And I need two. I need to book the food now so we can come. I need 220. I'm gonna miss it. Mm, I need
Yeah, this sound about
220.
right.
Mm.
I said, yeah, this sound about right.
And they got 220. This is it now, so I can order it now. No, it's
Now I gotta put it.
220.
I gotta put it on cash.
You wanna do it now? Hey, Bonnie, you here, Bonnie?
Nah, fuck you, B. I'm gonna say fuck you, Maggie, because you ain't want. Ain't nothing funny. You ain't want to say not one damn thing. Now little bit come on here. You want to talk all the way around because that little bit got the
Uh,
motherfucking money to give you. Fuck you, Maggie,
look,
and
who is
ass
Lil
dead
B?
They're
motherfucker.
being mean to me by the comments.
Who is Lil B?
What you say, Mags?
I'll keep people in the comments are left.
Who was molested? What you said?
People in the comments.
You got me fucked up, Maggie. Now you
Hey,
do the
what you say?
talking. Y'all see how
What
she
you?
do me? Now she on here talking like a bitch. But before she was
What
giving us
happened?
all the silent treatment, even motherfucking me. She only came unmuted to read a bitch, and then she went back on mute.
I wasn't trying to read you.
You don't do
Mm.
this.
I was mad at you,
Yeah.
but
Isabella,
I
go.
can call you and Bonnie, Brittany off the live anyway.
It don't matter. You sure came to this bitch fast as fuck when a little bit got up on here.
She like a little bitch. You sketchy.
And I did say when I get the help, I come off mute.
You must gonna show your microwave when you get it, Megan.
Yeah, but I need her booking now. Over there, I got to put that food through the order first. I need.
Well, people trying to fucking give you some cash, some food stuff, you not taking it. I told them I ordered it for you because you know you don't trust them with your fucking address. I ordered it for them, and then they could just, and then let them know when I'm done with their food stamp card, and they see I ain't gonna overspend y'all money. I won't overspend. I won't take y'all cash apps. Y'all already know I can be trusted.
With
You can
them
be
things,
trusted money. So I need
Huh?
to start sending my cash out. My cash out money over there sometime.
well,
I ain't never took your
tell
money.
Dean, Bonnie. I got my
Huh?
order here. Tell Dean with the food stamp then, because if he give me, it can go to his.
Well, send me the food stamp, y'all. If y'all want to help her with food stamps, let me know. The people probably who was telling you that probably gone. No, for real. Gave us a real moment of silence. But it take for BSB to get up here for her to talk.
Yeah, look, it's right here.
Megan been talking.
2 orders.
I need to look over that list too, Maggie, because I told you we're gonna show you how to fry chicken through the live or through FaceTime or something. Because you keep ordering shit that don't last you.
The chicken
It's
already
not but
cooked.
snacks. It better not be a bunch. It better not be more snacks than food on there, Maggie. It better the fuck not be.
It's fried chicken, and I, I told you I am addicted to them goddamn dumplings. I want them.
Well, screenshot me your list.
It's right
You
here.
can try the dumplings. The dumplings do be good.
Yes, I want it. You don't know which one I gotta get. Cause you don't know which one you don't know what they look like. It's right here.
I told you send me a list of your stuff so I can put your list together for you and then order it for you and send it to your house.
You can do it. You gotta do it now because it says by 7. You
Maggie,
gotta
you
put it
gotta
through
wait.
now.
You waited so long to say, okay, finally you want the food stuff. You gotta see if the person's still on here now. If anybody on here that want to do it, you gotta wait to see
I
this
gotta
name
do my
pop up.
7.5 for both
If you
of them.
want to have a meltdown and you don't be wanting to listen because you want to have a meltdown instead first, and then when you calm down, all of a sudden you want to have all the sense and listen. We be trying to help you out, but you take everybody as a joke. You think everybody being mean to you in the comments when they don't be. They just be speaking to you. They opinionating. They
But
entitled to that.
is it gonna help with $20 in stamps and $7? Well, and about
Girl, don't
$3 for the
start.
microwave already hated.
Hey, Tony. Maggie, well, we gonna see what if you got. Listen, if you can't get no $8 from the microwave, just get the little microwave you can get for right now. If you can't, if you can't take it,
It's not. I told you it's about 265, but you
She's
gotta be
scared. She
mindful
scared me.
with the feed and stuff. I said 70. So whatever you send BSB, it go to us. Huh?
that's what I'm telling you. Get some ground beef. You can make
No, I don't want no
tacos.
ground beef. I want this.
Tacos. You can make
I don't want
spaghetti.
that either.
You can make
I don't want that. I don't want
shepherd
that.
pie. You
I
can
got
make
fried chicken already cooked.
hamburgers.
I don't want that. I don't want that. I
You
got
don't
like
be like
I don't want that. I got what
beggars
I
can't be
like.
choosy.
I got
Beggars cannot be choosy.
45, 50 dumplings, 2 juices and fried chicken already cooked.
You're not gonna just eat a bunch of damn dumplings, Magalicious. Crazy ass.
Them motherfuckers good.
I understand they good, but you made
Meg,
fulfilling food, Maggie. That's your problem. Then you get to snacking on little shit, and then your ass be in the hospital because you know you're supposed to do all that. Now, how the fuck we gonna come visit
dumplings.
you in the hospital umpteen times a week?
No.
How the fuck we gonna do that? How the fuck me and Britt gonna do that?
No, get the dumplings and then in my fried chicken, my 2 juices, whatever you can find, I add that to it. I want them dumplings.
Maggie got an air fryer. She can get all kind of shit right now. She can even throw her chicken in the air fryer. She ain't got to fry her goddamn thing.
I want them dumplings. Them dumplings.
Get you some dumplings and get you some shit that's gonna last though, Maggie.
No,
Like chicken wings.
No, I can't eat too much red meat anyway. Did you forget?
Chicken tenders. You can eat chicken.
I want them dumplings. Like I said, I want them chicken dumplings. That's what I want.
Well, I ain't finna assist you on no bullshit, Maggie. Because you don't want to listen to nobody. No, because you gonna come back yelling at people about their money, about wanting to beg for some more money for some more shit, and yelling at them for their fucking cash, but you ain't listening for no shit to help you last.
Yeah, so she wanted just add something to it. I told her I want.
I told you, you can add some chicken and some meat today. You don't want to add
this one
that.
right here. You see, this kind of look like, yep, I want 40 of them. I want 40 of them.
40 what?
You see it.
40 things of dumplings? 40 packs, Maggie, you need to cut that shit out. Ain't nothing funny about that. Freezer full of goddamn dumplings.
That shit good.
See, Maggie? People say you gotta get real food. You already talk about your health all
day. This is real food. This is chicken dumplings. This is good.
But you ain't finna get a whole thing of chicken dumplings all... Ooh, my teeth hurting. You making my jaw hurt. Yeah, I know, right? Got me over here. She got me mad because she showing me this list of food I gotta help her get, but she want to get a bunch of dumplings. It ain't food. This shit funny.
I don't want that one.
Ain't shit funny, man. They trying to help you out with food, bitch. Let me buy the food stamps, y'all. Whoever got the food stamps, let me buy it, because Maggie playing.
I'm dead ass serious. I'm dead. I want the 40 dumplings. Dead ass serious.
Bring that down to 20, Maggie, because you need to get other food and shit. Come on now, be for real.
Okay, but I'm gonna take it's only $180, huh?
Only $180 for dumplings alone?
No, for everything.
Let me see. I want to see what that list looks like. It's blurry right now. I don't know why the fuck.
You see it?
See, that's the double. That's why it's blurry. It ain't even trying to be clear. Only God
has
to understand it. Ain't no
dumplings,
understanding this but God.
The dumplings, $171. He said, "Yep, dumplings. This juice and chicken."
So that's it. That make up your whole cart. That's hell no, Maggie. That's not no grocery list. We're gonna have to, y'all. We're going to come back and get the food stamps after we make a real grocery list. We're gonna matter of fact, let's see here make a grocery list. Come on. You can get you some damn instant mashed potatoes. Hook it up, throw a little garlic in there, a little butter and stuff.
I want the dumplings. That shit good.
You want $100 and something worth of dumplings and juice and one thing of chicken.
Yeah, 40 of them. 40 dumplings. Yep, I sure do want 40.
I don't respect that grocery list.
It's good.
It's not right. You gotta be smart, Maggie.
You better blame Ramir and her girlfriend Kim on TikTok. She gotta be them damn things.
I understand what TikTok did and all the little toppings they put on top of them dumplings do be looking good as fuck. I was looking for them too, but I'm not gonna make a whole grocery list of just dumplings and juice and one whole chicken that's cooked already. The hell? You ain't got no eggs up in there, no beef bacon.
I don't eat eggs.
What about bacon? They got beef bacon, pork bacon. What kind of bacon you like? They got turkey bacon.